Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you CloudFusion review. So what actually is CloudFusion? Guys, CloudFusion is a cloud-based hosting platform to host unlimited videos, website images, training, audios, or any media files at blazing fast speed at a low on-time fee. Creator of this hosting CloudFusion, Dr. Amit Parikh and his team. This hosting goes live on 15th of August, 11 a.m. EST. Right now, I'm in the sales space of this hosting CloudFusion. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information. I'm going to show you also quick demo, how actually works this hosting. I'm going to show you everything, guys, that no one can share with you. I'm going to show you all the pricing and OTOs. So stay tuned, guys. Please don't skip this video. Guys, captivate your audience with your media content in 3 easy steps. Actually, 3 simple steps to work this hosting. At first, the number 1 step is upload. Simply drag and drop your files into CloudFusion or upload from your PC. It supports almost all types of files, videos, images, audios, documents, etc. What's your files? No problem, guys. You can upload any kind of files on this CloudFusion platform. Step number 2, get file URL. CloudFusion gives you a single line of code to share your media anywhere after optimizing it according to internet speed and make multiple resolutions for faster delivery on any device. I'm going to show you guys the full demo so you will be fully understand afterwards the demo. So stay tuned. And publish and profit, step number 3, the final step. Just paste the code on any page or get a secure done for you file sharing URL to publish your content anywhere online to start getting eyeballs and get paid. It just takes minutes to go live. No technical and designing skills of any kind is needed. This is the one-time payment hosting, guys. You don't need to pay per month, and this is the best Vimeo, Dropbox and Amazon S3 alternative. Why I claim this is the best product, guys? I'm going to show you full details, then you will be fully understand. And this product CloudFusion hosting will give you 30 days money back guarantee. This is the members area, you can see. Okay guys, and here is the earning proof. They actually host their files on this platform, and this is also the live examples. You can see this video hosted on CloudFusion. So let's see the.
Hi guys, just thought I'd drop you this quick video testimonial to say thanks for giving me early access to CloudFusion. It's a first-rate file platform. I've uploaded my videos, uploaded my PDF files, tested it out, uploaded images, and then linked them over to my WordPress website and found that
You can see another testimonials.
As an online course creator and internet marketer, it's crucial.
If you're a course creator, if you're a marketer, then you must need this type of hosting platform, guys. Okay, and this type of hosting platform will save you time and money also. And you can see this is another testimonial, and this is the creator, Dr. Amit Parikh. You know, Dr. Amit Parikh is one of the best product creator, one of the best software creator on JV Zoom marketplace. This person have over 12 years experience, Dr. Amit Parikh. So and this is a trusted guy, guys. So you can purchase any kind of product from Dr. Amit Parikh. I highly recommend. Link in my video description below. Also this software, also this hosting, actually CloudFusion. Okay, each and every profitable business online has this as its backbone, and if you want to run a fine-tuned business, you will need it too. Why you will need it too? I'm going to show you the comparison chart, guys. The Dropbox, Vimeo, and also Amazon S3 alternative, and this is the best Amazon S3 alternative, guys. Okay, here is everything details. If you want to learn more about this hosting, please click the link in my video description below and check out the full information. You can see, guys, they will provide a coupon code, and for extra $10 off today and 30 days money back guarantee. I'm going to show also the exact money back guarantee of this tool, CloudFusion, of this hosting, actually CloudFusion. Okay, lots of info they actually share, guys. You can also check out all the information. You can check out the analytics and everything, guys. how many visitors view what's your video, guys. You can see everything. Manage files, effortlessly share multiple files, full text search and files preview. And free hosting is included. It stores a space up to 250 GB and bandwidth up to 250 GB per month. This is the free, 100% free. And share all CloudFusion files on elegant and brandable sharing phases. Okay, an initiative to use software with step-by-step video training. So guys, you have no problem to understand this CloudFusion hosting platform. They will provide a step-by-step video training inside the members area, so you have no problem. Okay, there is no competition. No other technology comes even close to CloudFusion. You can see CloudFusion will give you lots of opportunity and lots of features that no one can will provide this type of hosting platform like Vimeo, Dropbox and alternative. They actually charge lots of money per month, but they will provide limited features. You can see CloudFusion $47 one-time payment, and Vimeo $75 per month, Dropbox $11.99 per month or $144 per year. But this is not a quality full hosting platform. If you are a digital entrepreneur, do you have online business, then you must need this type of platform like CloudFusion, Vimeo. Okay, I never recommend to purchase Dropbox. Okay, and guys, here is you can see Amazon S3 $11.99 per month or $154 per year, but they will provide very limited features. All the features available here on CloudFusion hosting platform. You can also check out all the info, guys. Okay, and if you purchase CloudFusion, they will provide this bonus. I'm going to show you all the bonuses. Right now I'm going to show you quick demo, guys. Then I'm going to show you all the bonuses and all other information like pricing and audios. So let's see the demo, guys.
It has never been easier to host and manage all your sales videos, demo videos, trainings, webinar replays, website images and other files, and deliver those without buffering to your customers, clients, and team members. But with CloudFusion, it's easy and fast. CloudFusion is a must-have solution that replaces multiple old-school slow-loading and costly hosting apps with a lightning-fast user experience to run a profitable business online. It supercharges your website speed, play buffering-free HD videos, post and share marketing files, PDFs, etc. to get more leads, sales and customer satisfaction in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Upload. Just upload any file, images, videos, audios, documents, or other marketing files from your PC once, and CloudFusion optimizes those according to internet speed and makes multiple resolutions for faster delivery on any device. Step 2. Get file sharing code. Just get a code to share and publish your files anywhere on the internet, on your own page or on any website. Step 3. Publish and profit. You can share, publish, or access any file wherever you want instantly to get more eyeballs and start getting profits. No installation, no coding or other techie stuff. In less than a minute, you can publish your CloudFusion images, video, or any marketing file anywhere on the internet. With CloudFusion, you can do much more. Host and manage all your files, any type of videos, trainings, podcasts, website images, PDFs, docs, audio, zip files, or any other marketing file. Supercharge performance of your own and your clients' websites, landing pages, online shops, or membership sites with ultra-fast loading images and videos. CloudFusion delivers them at super fast speed with fast CDNs. After all, time is money. To get your audience spellbound and you get more engagement, leads and sales. Tap into the huge $398 billion e-learning industry, deliver all your videos, docs, or PDF training on done-for-you sites or doc sharing channels. With CloudFusion, you can create your beautiful video training channels, chapters and pages to deliver your training fast and secure and impress your customers. Play sales, webinars and training videos in HD on any page, site, or members area and dominate video marketing. Generate tons of leads and affiliate sales to deliver freebies to build a huge list and boost commissions by giving bonuses to your subscribers. You can deliver them all on beautiful doc sharing pages. Sell products online, deliver digital products, templates, plugins, or any package securely, fast and easy. Want to deliver client projects? We have got you covered, as you can store all your files with CloudFusion and access them from anywhere with unbreakable security. So, whatever your goal is, we have a proven solution for you. It's fast and easy. It's proven and elegant. It's reliable and robust. So, with CloudFusion you get everything max. Max storage. Max security. Max flexibility. Isn't it amazing? But we do not finish here. Always know how you are doing with precise analytics, know your numbers to improve your marketing campaigns and better results. Share your files on branded file sharing pages. Those are elegant, SEO optimized, and 100% mobile responsive. Share your files privately with your clients, customers, and team members. It comes with an inbuilt contact management system. Access files anytime, anywhere with Business Cloud. Unbreakable file security with SSL and OTP-enabled login. 30 days online backup and file recovery. Single dashboard to manage all business files, no need to buy multiple apps. Manage files effortlessly and share multiple files, full text search and file preview. Inbuilt elegant video player with HDR support. AZ complete video training included. You'll get live chat, customer support. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spending monthly on hosting. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
Okay, my beautiful friend, I hope you fully understand after watch the demo about this CloudFusion. Okay, I think you interested to buy this from hosting platform. Okay, because this is 100% legit product, believe me. And right now I'm just quickly introduce all the bonuses that provided the vendor, the creator, Dr. Amit Farik. The bonus number 1 is live training 0 to 10K per month with CloudFusion. First 1,000 buyers only $1,000 value. Bonus number 2, video training on how to start online coaching business. This is very, very important business, guys. Important bonus. Bonus number 3, lead generation video workshop. Bonus number 4, video training on how to make money with affiliate marketing. And this is the bonus value $3,300. This is very limited commercial license, will allow you to tap into a unique opportunity to enter 200 billion freelancing industry. And guys, CloudFusion brings you a huge opportunity. One is silver platter, and here are a never-ending list of business ready to pay you for your file hosting services, business courses, and affiliate marketers, e-com sellers, all info, gym, music classes, sports club, bars, restaurants, hotels, schools, search, taxi services, and garage owners, dentists, locksmiths, chiropractors, cat parents, home tutors, real estate, and lawyers. Okay, guys, what's your business? I don't know, but I think this is one of the business you have, and you can definitely purchase this hosting. And here, as you can see, the CloudFusion is 100% risk-free because they will provide 30 days unconditional 100% money back guarantees. So you can buy with full confidence and try it for yourself and for your customer risk-free. If you face any issue or don't get the results you desire after using it, just raise a ticket 1 hour support desk within 30 days, and they will actually refund you everything down on the last penny, guys. And here is the pricing options. The CloudFusion starter license is the price only $44, but provide high in demand service, no. And commercial license is $47. Also, you will get $10 coupon code. That means $37 right now, the price on this platform, on this commercial license CloudFusion. And this hosting platform commercial license CloudFusion, guys, they will provide, you can see the price OTOs, $47, $77, and $177. You can see this kind of OTOs on the members area. And do you have any questions? Here, as you can see, the frequent asked questions. Do I need to download or install CloudFusion somewhere? Absolutely no, guys, because this is cloud-based platform. Is my investment risk-free? Absolutely yes. They will provide 30 days money back guarantee. Is CloudFusion Windows and Mac compatible? Absolutely yes. Do you sense any monthly fees? There are no monthly fees to use it during the launch period. During this period, you pay once and never again. We will always believe in providing complete value for your money. However, there are upgrades as upsells which requires monthly payment, but it is 100% optional and no mandatory to work with CloudFusion. Those are recommended if you want to multiply your benefits. Will I get any training and support for my questions? Absolutely yes. We have created detailed and step-by-step video training that shows you how to get set up, everything quick and easy. You can access to the training in the members area. You will also get live chat customer support so you never get stuck or have any issues, guys. And also you can check out all the questions. I hope guys you enjoy this video. I hope you fully understand about this product, about this hosting platform CloudFusion and earning. Businesses are losing over 53% sales due to slow loading websites and videos. So this is super fast hosting platform CloudFusion. I think guys you purchase this product and you will save your money and time. Also you will save your business. And you can, if you want to risk-free your business, then you can host your all files on CloudFusion. Just a safe you. Thank you. See you soon and share this video with your friends and family who actually is struggling to host their files.